Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to clean a hunting rifle. You should be cleaning your rifle intermittently throughout the year, as well as after your range time and after being out in the field. It's important to keep your gun clean for optimal performance and safety and functionality throughout the year. First thing we're going to do is we're going to make sure the chamber is clear and there's no round in the chamber, so it's not a live gun. The safety is always paramount anytime we're handling firearms. So I'm going to open that bolt that's free and clear. I'm going to release the bolt. On the bolt release, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my rod with a copper brush. I'm going to use a copper or carbon solvent. You can find this at any sporting goods store. We have carbon and copper buildup from rounds being fired in the barrel and chamber of the gun, and we want to make sure that's clean and cleared out for optimal functionality and safety. I usually do about 7 to 12 passes through with this copper brush. After that, we'll take what is called a jeg, attach that to the rod. I pop this mag well and I spray a degreaser solvent kind of in there just to kind of get some stuff moving. And then I take a cloth and I always douse this. It helps it clear some of that stuff out that's been kicked up from the brush and the solvent. One of the final steps you want to take though, that I always do, is I take my bolt, I douse it down to get some of that additional gunk off. Where the firing pin comes out, you make sure that's nice and clean and clear because you'll get a lot of brass and copper and carbon buildup there too. Then I'll take some oil, not a lot, you just want a little bit. Spread it over the length of the barrel, kind of on the back of these lugs. You don't want to over oil, you don't want your gun too loose. You want a little bit of play with that. I'll put this bolt back in, and what I do is I'll cycle this gun to make sure everything's functioning properly. All right, so that's a clean rifle. It only takes 15 minutes to improve the performance, accuracy, and functionality of your firearm. It's a safe thing to do, it's the right thing to do, because the last thing you want to be is out in the field or at the range and a misfire or mishap happens because your gun is not clean.